You need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem solve. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we're going to be solving the you need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem. So basically, to fix these types of issues, you're going to want to switch up your accounts, okay? And what I mean by switching up your accounts is we're going to switch up the provider. So for that, what we're going to do is, as you can see, I have WhatsApp Business opened over here. So you're going to download WhatsApp Business instead of the normal WhatsApp, and you're going to make an account on WhatsApp Business. So what that will do is it will remove this error of the official WhatsApp thing for you, because the business is an official WhatsApp account. And once you create an account, from that, you can obviously switch from the business to a professional account. And from that professional account, basically, you're just going to use WhatsApp in the normal way. And you can obviously come to their website and see that WhatsApp Business has a lot of benefits to itself as well. But if you just want to use a personal WhatsApp account, what you can just do is you can even go ahead and contact the people at WhatsApp, telling them your issue. So you can obviously go into help, or you can contact them directly. But yeah, that's the general idea of how you're going to fix this issue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.